Hello viewers, how are you doing? Welcome to my technological world. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will be notified about any future videos whenever we release them. Once again, we have received some latest news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10, up-to-date information. Stay tuned till the end of this video and you will learn all about Samsung Galaxy S10. Oh boy, Samsung remains tight-lipped about the Galaxy S10, but we know one thing is for sure. It won't be the company's first phone with 5G. Samsung's CEO DJ Koh and Dong-Jin confirmed that fact at a press event in South Korea, squashing any previous rumors that claimed otherwise. If a report from Bloomberg is to be believed, at least one version of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 will be 5G compatible. Earlier this year, Koh stated Samsung was working with carrier to roll out a 5G phone by March 2019, within certain locations of course. And while he didn't provide many details, Bloomberg is reporting the 5G compatible Samsung Galaxy S10 may be a Verizon exclusive. If Samsung does indeed give the exclusive for its first 5G flagship to Verizon, it will not only be a huge pull for the carrier, but also an almost surefire way for the S10 to gain instant popularity on America's largest mobile network. As far as other specs are concerned, it's a fair bet that the Galaxy S10 will feature a new iteration of Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip, most likely the Snapdragon 855. Samsung poured 5.6 billion US dollars into a foundry for rumored 7nm chipset for the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 phones. Risk trails for those chips will begin later this year, with Samsung expecting mass production in early 2019, just in time for the S10's release. In September, Korean tech site ET News reported that Samsung will use Qualcomm's third generation ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor in its upcoming Galaxy S10 handsets. Qualcomm's technology can capture 3D fingerprint data, allowing for higher accuracy and better security. Earlier this year, a patent by Patently Mobile showed Samsung was actively working on an in-display fingerprint sensor. This new sensor would reportedly use ultrasound instead of images to map out one's fingerprint. While Samsung may be planning to use this secure technology in all of its upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 models, it may also be honing its sensors for future handsets. Finally, it may sound mundane, but there is every reason to assume Samsung will push for increased battery life with the S10. Battery improvements were on our wish list for the Galaxy S9 too. What we saw was, of course, not impressive. Samsung boasted the battery capacity of the Note 9. However, and with rumors swirling of a new L-shaped battery boosting the phone's life, we are hopeful that the S10 will shine in this area. As always, we have a disclaimer to announce that we are not responsible nor guarantee that all of the information on this video is 100% accurate, because these are just latest rumors and news. But we try our level best that we provide the latest and accurate news for our valuable viewers. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, please tell us in the comments below why you don't like it, so we will improve our videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you will receive all of our future videos notifications. And thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.